Hey friends, this is the heaviest FabFitFun box I have ever received. I could barely hold it up off to the side of me to get our little thumbnail image for you. This is gonna be crazy. I gotta be honest, I am biased. I love the fall FabFitFun boxes. I always want a little bit of pumpkin something in there, right? Unfortunately, it's still really hot in California. I'm not getting any fall vibes, so I'm extra super yearning for them. The box alone totally does it for me. I love that they're using more sustainable packaging, but yet it's still cute, and this could totally be reused. It's so pretty. Huge, but pretty. By the way, if you're new to FabFitFun, you can use our link in the description of this video and get $10 off your first box. Don't miss out. It is wonderful. You can do add-ons, you can do customization. It is just the best. It's a seasonal subscription box that you get every 3 months. It is $49 approximately for each box, but you'll get it at a discount if you use my link. Now, you can upgrade and become a more elevated member and pay the annual subscription, which is $179, and you're then an annual member, which gives you early access to add-ons to your choice and your customization. And you save some money because you're paying for the whole year and not quarterly. So, got all the housekeeping out of the way. I know you want to see what's in my box, so we're gonna open this thing up. Like I said, it's a lot bigger than usual, so bear with me while I manhandle it open. I fully customized this box because I am an annual member. It was really fun. The only thing I didn't really customize is there's a bundle at the end. You get to pick one of the bundles. So you have to take whatever is in each bundle, but you're still customizing, which is exciting. Here is the pamphlet for the box, and I will be referring to this, opening it up, looking for more information kind of as we go. But here's a sneak peek at what your box might look like depending on how you customize. I got a few of the things in there. I can see it. So we're gonna get into this and see what we've got because, oh man, am I just itching to open this box. So a little bit of packaging there that we're gonna throw off to the side. You have a 9 free meals from HelloFresh. You have something from Nourish Nature Made Nutrition. And I think we've also got a $60 credit for Bright Sellers. So you've got some discounts in there if you'd like to take advantage of those. Oh, and I just found this too. You've got a little discount for a friend for a FabFitFun box. So there's a discount code in there for you. Okay. I have to go with the more fall-like item that I chose in this one because, like I said, I gotta have some pumpkin, and I got it. I got my pumpkin, you guys. It's the Perlice Pumpkin and Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. I'm gonna try to find this inside of the brochure here so I can tell you a little more about it, but as usual, there's just a lot going on inside of the brochure. Let's see if we can find a little bit of information about this, though. Well, maybe not. Maybe they don't have it this time. Anyhow, I think you guys get the idea. It is a detoxifying charcoal mask, and let's open it up and see if we can just give it a little sniff test and see how pumpkin-y it is. I can't wait. Let's do it. Here we go, unpackaging as always. I will unpackage as much of this as I possibly can. By the way, this appears to be a full-size product at 2.5 ounces. Okay, it says that it's for oily, combination, normal, or even sensitive skin. So looks like it doesn't matter what type of skin you have, you are more than welcome to give this a try. And it is pumpkin spice heaven, y'all. This is just wonderful. So I had to start off with something that I could just sink my teeth into. Next, I want to open up the Dutch oven because this to me was like, wow, I can actually choose to get a Dutch oven with my box this month. That is an enormous kitchen item to have. So here it is, fully packaged. I do need to find my little knife that I use for unboxing. Always have my knife on hand, just in case. I know you're not supposed to cut towards your body, so I'm being extra super careful. Don't want any on-camera injuries. Okay, I know a lot of you, by the way, are already FabFitFun members, so I'm excited to hear from you in the comments as to what you selected and customized. But here comes our mini Dutch oven. This is Golden Rabbit Enamelware Dutch oven, and this again is miniature. So if you think that you don't have room for a Dutch oven, you might want to reconsider. I'm looking for the lid. I don't see it, but here is the Dutch oven itself. I'm wondering if, oh, the lid is turned upside down right inside the Dutch oven. So let me just take it out of the packaging. We are opening this for the first time together, friends. This is my first time seeing everything and unpackaging it. All I did when it came in the mail is simply take it out of the box. So here it is. This is so beautiful. Look how pretty that is with that blue swirl. It really looks like somebody took a white Dutch oven and just did like a fun paint swirl on it. Look at that, so cute. So cute for your miniature stews, your soups. You can cook stocks in this. It is just absolutely adorable and so generous, I think, as a FabFitFun inclusion. Beautiful. I'm gonna get so much use out of this fall and winter. Maybe a little bit too soon to be using it just yet because it's so hot in California, but we're getting there. Okay, another really just premium kitchen item that I chose in this month's box, and gosh, this is just one of many things that you could choose, is this Uncommon James Acacia wood cheese board, and it looked so beautiful on the website. I haven't decided if I'm gonna gift this or keep it, but you guys, look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Can you see that? I want to hold it both ways. This would just be the most amazing cheese board to take to someone's house. Put a bow on it, let them keep it, right? It has the handles. It's gorgeous. And of course, you can just use it as a standard cutting board if you'd like. But to me, this has hostess gift written all over it. So beautiful. I mean, I'm just loving this so far. I got a little bit of fall, and I got some really high quality kitchen things. Ooh, what is next? Oh, I'm excited for this one, you guys. This is a packable backpack. And because here at SheriTV and Cruise Tips TV, we travel ever so much, we love lightweight packable backpacks. Sorry about that. I just gave my Dutch oven a little kick when I was opening it. So this backpack is unique because it packs into this little pouch. So it's very small. It's very, very lightweight. I can tell it's just probably a few ounces. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. I'm excited. I think this has a little bit of an animal print of some sort. Yep, sure does. The feel on this is so much more high quality than I expected. When I saw it online, I couldn't really get a good sense for the quality, but it feels like it's very nicely constructed. I'm gonna go ahead and open it all the way up, and I'm gonna zip up the backpack so that you can see what it would look like if you were just getting ready to put it on. This is really nice quality. I'll give you a close-up in just a moment. Okay, there's the straps, the other strap, and it has little water bottle containers too. Okay, so here is the front of it. As you can see, it has two little mesh side pockets, one on this side, one on the other. You could put your water bottles in there, a lot of different things you can do. We've got, let's see, this little front pocket. Not sure what you'd put in there, but just standard little lightweight backpack. And then you have your main compartment, which looks really nice. It doesn't look like there's any additional zippered areas inside, but it looks about like that. And here is the back. So I think it's an understated animal print. If you're not huge on animal prints, I don't think that the animal print really stands out on this a whole lot because it's mostly facing the back of your body. So if you're not super into animal prints, I wouldn't worry too much. It does have their name on the bottom. It says APL, I believe that's the brand. Nice little backpack, very cool. I will probably keep this one and not gift it, hard to say, but I'm glad that I selected it. It's definitely a little bit higher quality than I expected. Next, I think we have some of the items from the bundle in here. I'm gonna try to do the bundle last, but I don't remember what this is. Oh yes, this is something that comes with the bundle that you get to select. There's many bundles, and this is called the Two Bandits Tiered Catch-All Tray. Let's open it together. I think this is something that I'll use in my restroom to put jewelry and things in, but as you can see, it opens up, and there are a bunch of different little layers on it. So it's a 3-level catch-all tray, and it is lined with some kind of felt. I'll give you kind of a closer look at that right there. But again, this was part of the bundle, and I really feel that I can get some use out of this. Pura Vida bracelets, maybe my rings. There's just a lot of different ways that I could use that. These items are so big that it is filling up my desk more than usual this time. So funny. I don't know what this is. Let's open it up and find out. What do we have here? more goodies. This is always just such a huge, feels like Christmas type thing when you get your box from FabFitFun, because everything is just so generous. What is this? Try Heineken 0.0, 0% alcohol, 100% taste. Now you can. This must be some kind of a bonus. Is this, oh my gosh, you guys. It's a 0 alcohol lager beer, and it's this teeny tiny little funny can. How funny is that? 5.1 ounces. So this is just a special gift. I did not select it, but apparently now you can. That is hilarious. Okay, what do we have now? We have a little miniature Dove Advanced Care. What is this? Oh, it's an antiperspirant deodorant spray. I like this because sometimes when you do get a miniature of these, they are not antiperspirant deodorants. They are one or the other. So this is going to be making its way into my travel bag because I actually was going to buy one of these at Target today. I was going to buy a stick deodorant, but I might be able to get away with this for my next trip. Don't know when that trip is, but I might be able to get away with it. Sorry, I just bumped the microphone there. Made my husband cringe for sure. Okay, let's see what else we have for the bundle. All right, I think this is actually outside of the bundle. This was something that I selected. That is a full size. This is the MAD Skincare, which stands for Maximum Active Dermaceuticals 6.75 ounce glycolic age diffusing cleanser. I actually got this for my husband. He is a fan of glycolic cleansers. This is huge, you guys. 6.75 ounces. If I had to guess, something like this would probably cost as much or more than this box because glycolic cleansers are very expensive. So he is going to be able to use that for a long time. I think that this next item came in the bundle. This is the Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. I got one of these in another subscription box. I don't remember which one it was. So I am probably going to gift this. It is the most beautiful little bottle. Isn't that pretty? It's so countertop friendly. So very, very nice. I'm not exactly sure how you would use this, but it looks like it says apply 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning. So I'm not sure if you put it on before moisturizing. If anybody knows how to use an ampoule, I'm kind of a skincare rookie, and I would love to know. Okay, that was everything. I can't believe we got all of it out. There was just so much to see. Oh no, there's one more thing. Here it is. What is this? Oh, I'm not actually sure what this is, but I just found it sitting on the table. So let's open it up and find out. What is this? Oh, it's a lunch pack. Okay, so this is some kind of a reusable lunch pack. I'm gonna open it up and see if we can figure it out. It's got some nice handy instructions on the front of it. So I was just kind of looking at that to see if I could figure out the instructions before I opened it up and made myself look silly. Oh, it looks really easy to use. So you just pop your lunch in there, and then I think you just roll it down to keep it all protected, and then you seal it with this little rubber band type doodad. Just like that to kind of tighten it up. Just like that. This is clever. I think this must have come in the bundle. I'm happy with all of this, guys. I got some really high quality products. There is nothing in here that I won't use, gift, or give to my husband. I'm not sure about the beer. I mean, do you want to drink beer for the taste, or do you want to drink beer for the effects it has? I don't know, I don't know. But I'm really thrilled about this Dutch oven. This is gorgeous. Absolutely perfect. And so great if you know somebody who has a smaller apartment and you want to gift it to them, or maybe you have a smaller apartment or a smaller kitchen, or you like me and you don't have any room for your pans, gift it away. This Uncommon James board is also just so luxe. Really, for a subscription box, being able to get a Dutch oven and a cutting board inside of them is so great, and it gets me in the mood for fall, right? That Dutch oven for making stews and things like that. Got to love the pumpkin and ginger detoxifying charcoal mask. I was so hopeful that they would have pumpkin in this box, and they really didn't let me down. So many good things. I'm really happy with it. Hubby will be loving the glycolic cleanser, and we're just gonna go get all of this stuff put away now. But thank you all so much for being here. Again, please use my link. You will automatically get the discount. when you go through the process of checking out on the FabFitFun website if you use my link. So don't worry, that will all kind of work out through that checkout process for you. If you already got your FabFitFun box, I know a lot of you did. Tell me what you selected. Did you get some of the same things as I did? Did you get all the same things as I did? Did you totally have a different box? And if so, what was in it? And maybe you can help people who are considering the box to make a decision. Oh, before we go too, I wanted to show you my add-on item. In add-ons, there are literally hundreds, maybe even thousands of items that you can choose from. I chose this travel organizer from Bando. It's called the Bando Getaway Travel Organizer in Super Bloom, and I added this on. I think it was something like $20. So I also got this for an extra cost, and I'm going to be probably using this as a jewelry organizer on my next trip. I love that it has a little hook on the top that I can put on the towel rack or somewhere in my hotel or cruise ship bathroom, wherever that may be. Thank you all so very much for watching this unboxing today. It's been great spending time with you and sharing this with you. Until next time, go do something beautiful.